Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the dispenser cover assembly on the Samsung refrigerator. You're going to need one tool for the job. It's going to be a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. For this repair, we'll need to unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. First, we'll start off by removing this Phillips screw. With the screw removed, we'll next remove the dispenser cover assembly. To remove the dispenser cover assembly, you'll put your two thumbs on the side and firmly grasp the ice dispenser hole on the bottom and pull it towards you to remove it. With it removed, pivot the left side out. There are wires connecting on the right side that we'll need to disconnect. Next, remove the wire plug by depressing the retaining clip. If you have a bad dispenser cover assembly and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You'll want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you're getting the correct part. Next, we'll reinstall the dispenser cover assembly. Next, we'll reinstall the electrical plug by pushing it until it snaps into place. Next, we'll tilt the dispenser cover forward and insert the rear of it into the recessed opening on the door. The cover is held into place with 6 locking tabs. Firmly push on the edges until they lock into place. Next, reinstall the Phillips screw on the bottom of the dispenser cover. Now that everything's back together, you want to plug the refrigerator back in and test it out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this repair. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.